photo.
Yeah, it would help us trace it if the burglars then try and fence it with any known dealers.
But they didn't get it. I put it in our safety deposit box at the bank last week. I was having it valued. Things haven't been easy recently, and I was considering selling it. Nathan and I weren't born with silver spoons. And Nathan wanted the best for the kids. We're broke. Nathan tries to hide it from me, but, we have joint bank accounts. And I know you wouldn't dream of suggesting we sell anniversary gifts.
So they sent it to the bank to get it back.